Hey everyone, in today's TikTok video, I want to show you how to add text inside of your TikTok video so it would animate in and out, basically changing the duration so it appears and disappears and it doesn't play out through the entire TikTok video. And if it's your first time here, I post easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day, so please consider subscribing. So this is a really useful TikTok option. So let me go back just to show you how to do it. So I have my 1 minute of my video here. I'm basically putting my videos from YouTube to do a 1 minute preview. That's the maximum length on TikTok right now. And then when I press next on top, it's gonna process my video and now I could add a text. So I'm gonna press the text option right here and I'm gonna type out my text. So now I'll just move it to where I want to. And now I want this text to show up a few seconds after the video starts. So now that I type my text and I press done, if I tap it, I'm gonna be able to edit it. That's gonna take me back to the typewriter, or I could set duration. Let me go ahead and press that and show you how to do that. So it says select sticker lasts for 59 seconds, the entire duration. But you see the endpoint here? You could change that so it will start a little bit later, and then maybe you could make it last only for a few seconds if that's what you want to do. You could do this with multiple text files as well. So I'm gonna let this one come in at the 3-second mark here, press check mark on the bottom. So now the video starts, this is the beginning of the video, and then the text comes in. Now, if I wanted to add another text file, I could do the same thing. Let me add a new text file. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the same background, press done, and I'll bring this one on the bottom. Now, people are gonna watch the video, and towards the end of the video, I'm gonna tap this set duration to come in toward the end of the video instead. So I'll just have this come for the last 15 seconds or so, and then press check mark. So now in the beginning of the video, the title is gonna come in a few seconds in, and I'm not gonna see the text on the bottom for quite a while till the end of the video. When I'm ready, I'm gonna press next, put the description for my video. And now that I completed everything here, I could just go ahead and press post on the bottom of the page. And now the video has been posted to my profile. So if I click on it right here, you see the title is gonna come on just now. And then on the bottom of the page, I'm gonna get the rest of it at the end of the video. And people could go ahead and tap my profile here and then go ahead and click here to go check out my YouTube to see the rest of the video just like that. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for daily tech and social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.